Okay, so how do you start earning money online? That's actually a very good way of putting it. Earning money, I was like perning it. Earning money on the internet actually is a much better way to do some research on rather than how to make money online and how to, and all those sort of things that people search for. It's because people who genuinely want to make money on the internet are going to earn it. And the way that you earn it is you build an audience. You have this audience of people who love you. They love you. They love what you stand for. They love what you teach. They learn from you all the time. And you just simply give them information that's going to help them get better at their business, whatever it is that they love to do, whatever business, product, service, or opportunity that they have. You help them to get the right message in their business to the right market. This is how you start earning money online, is by helping other people, by helping other business owners, by helping other entrepreneurs, other network marketers to build their audience and to teach them how to engage with their audience. Because once you start engaging with people and you start being yourself, you start being funny, you start telling jokes, and you start being you're like, oh, telling jokes like in business, yeah, like you really don't understand that this is a people business, and people love to tell jokes. People love to hear stories. They love to tell stories. That's how they make connections. That's actually how people make buying decisions, is when you start telling stories. You're going to find out that the more stories you tell that connect with people, that make people feel something, that's when they make the buying decision. It's not just, oh, go buy this now. It's, you know, I was walking through the park one day, and this guy came up to me and he was just talking to me. All of a sudden, he started to just be my friend, and then we went and got some coffee, and then I said, "Hey, man, what do you do?" And he's like, "Oh, you know, I'm just an internet entrepreneur. Don't worry about poor old me. No, really, man, how did you get into that? That's really interesting." Oh, well, I got fired from a job, and I started pursuing it. I started, putting effort into earning money online. And oh wow, that's really cool. How did you do that? How can I get started in something like that? And then that's how you start building an audience. You just start engaging with people. You want to push them away so that you can weed out the people who just like they really don't care about it. They just want, to waste your time, waste your energy, and just, get all sorts of information out of you and you get nothing out of it. So that's why it's important to do videos like this, so that if someone decides to search for you, you already have all that information, bam, right there. And then you can leave a link in the description below where they can click on it, and then they can get more information after that. And so with that, we're going to conclude this on how to start earning money online is by building an audience of people through a business platform, by building relationships with them, and earning an income by selling products that they are actually looking to buy. And once you start doing that, it takes a while. And this is it in a nutshell. But there's a link in the description below, and I want you to go click on it, check it out, and you can see for yourself, full detail, how you can start earning money online. Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe, leave a comment, and I really look forward to seeing you on the next video. See you.